1. 1936 Ford F1 Hot Rod. Price, $25,000. Located Hindman, Kentucky. This 1936 Ford F1 Hot Rod is a classic pre-war truck that has been upgraded with modern mechanical components, making it a reliable and enjoyable driver while still retaining its vintage appeal. Finished in a clean blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this truck presents a cohesive and eye-catching look that stands out among traditional hot rods. With 222,222 miles showing, it reflects a well-used vehicle that has been refreshed for continued use. Under the hood, this Ford is powered by a newly installed 327 cubic inch V8 engine, providing a strong balance of performance and reliability. The engine is paired with a new automatic transmission, offering smooth shifting and ease of driving compared to original manual setups. These upgrades make the truck more accessible for modern drivers while preserving its classic character. Power steering has also been added, improving maneuverability and comfort during both city driving and cruising. The vehicle has received a fresh paint job, enhancing its overall presentation and giving it a renewed appearance. It is described as running and driving well, making it a turnkey option for enthusiasts who want a classic vehicle without the need for major immediate work. This 1936 Ford F1 offers a solid combination of vintage style and updated performance, making it a great choice for collectors or anyone looking to enjoy a classic hot rod on the road. 2. 1937 Ford Coupe Hot Rod. Price, $30,000. Located Racine, Wisconsin. This 1937 Ford Coupe Hot Rod is a bold and eye-catching custom build that combines classic pre-war styling with strong performance and a unique color presentation. Finished in a striking fuchsia magenta exterior, this coupe stands out immediately with its vibrant appearance, making it a true attention grabber at shows and on the street. With approximately 23,400 miles recorded and only around 1,000 miles added in the last 2 years, the car has been carefully maintained and garage stored by its current owner. Under the hood, this Ford is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering strong performance and plenty of power for both cruising and spirited driving. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth and effortless gear changes. The car is described as starting easily and running very well, offering a dependable driving experience for a classic hot rod. This coupe is equipped with disc brakes, improving stopping capability compared to original systems. While it does not feature air conditioning or power steering, it maintains a more traditional hot rod feel. The overall condition is described as excellent, with no rust and a solid body. With its unique color, strong engine, and clean condition, this 1937 Ford Coupe offers a fun and stylish entry into the world of classic hot rods. 3. 1932 Chevrolet Hot Rod Coupe. Price, $20,000. Located White House, Ohio. This 1932 Chevrolet Hot Rod Coupe is a classic all-steel build that captures the essence of early American hot rodding with a focus on performance and simplicity. Finished in a blue exterior, this coupe maintains a traditional look while incorporating key upgrades that enhance its driving experience. The all-steel construction adds durability and authenticity, making it a desirable option for enthusiasts who value original materials over fiberglass builds. Powering this Chevrolet is a distinctive Buick Nailhead V8 engine equipped with a dual two-barrel carburetor setup, delivering a unique combination of torque and vintage performance character. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission, making the vehicle easier to operate while still providing strong acceleration. The car is described as running great, although it does produce a louder exhaust note, typical of performance-oriented hot rods. This coupe offers a straightforward and functional setup, ideal for drivers who appreciate a raw and engaging driving experience. Its simplicity makes it easier to maintain while still providing plenty of enjoyment on the road. Whether used for weekend cruising or as a base for further customization, this 1932 Chevrolet represents a solid and affordable entry into the classic hot rod scene. 4. 1937 Ford Flat-Back Tudor Sedan. Price, $13,500. Located Euclid, Ohio. This 1937 Ford flat-back Tudor sedan is a classic pre-war project car that offers a clean and solid foundation for restoration or customization. With its paint removed and sealed, the body is described as straight and super clean, allowing the next owner to easily continue the build process without dealing with hidden rust or major structural issues. The car retains its classic Tudor sedan styling, making it an excellent candidate for a traditional hot rod or restoration project. Under the hood, the vehicle comes equipped with a complete flathead V8 engine, preserving the authentic mechanical character of the era. The drivetrain setup includes a straight axle front suspension and a 9-inch rear end, offering a strong base for performance upgrades or reliable cruising. While the car is not fully finished, it includes many essential components that reduce the overall workload for the next owner. Inside, the sedan features black button-tucked seats that add a touch of vintage style and comfort. Additional parts are included with the vehicle, providing further value and flexibility for customization. With a clear Ohio title and a solid structure, this 1937 Ford Tudor represents a great opportunity for enthusiasts looking to build a classic hot rod or restore a piece of automotive history. 5. 1936 Chevrolet Coupe. Price, $20,000. Located Jolton, Tennessee. This 1936 Chevrolet Coupe is a beautifully preserved pre-war classic that offers a combination of originality, simplicity, and dependable performance. Finished in a sleek black exterior paired with a tan interior, this coupe reflects timeless styling that continues to appeal to collectors and vintage car enthusiasts. With only 300 miles recorded, this vehicle presents as a lightly driven example that has been carefully maintained and kept in excellent overall condition. Under the hood, the car retains a traditional gasoline-powered engine paired with a manual transmission, delivering an authentic driving experience that connects the driver directly to the road. The mechanical setup is straightforward and reliable, making it easier to maintain compared to more complex modern builds. The vehicle is described as running well, with everything functioning as intended, adding confidence for those seeking a turnkey classic. A key highlight of this coupe is its rust-free condition, which is especially valuable for a vehicle of this era. The clean title further supports its appeal as a solid and hassle-free purchase. Whether used for weekend cruising, classic car events, or as part of a collection, this 1936 Chevrolet Coupe offers a well-rounded package of vintage charm and usability, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a clean and dependable classic. 6. 1937 Ford two-door sedan. Price, $13,000. Located Grove City, Ohio. This 1937 Ford two-door sedan, often referred to as a hunchback, is a classic representation of late 1930s American automotive design, offering originality and nostalgic driving appeal. Finished in a red exterior with a tan interior, this sedan maintains a classic color combination that complements its distinctive rounded body style. With approximately 51,734 miles recorded, it presents as a well-preserved example suitable for both collectors and casual enthusiasts. Powering this Ford is an original flathead V8 engine producing approximately 85 horsepower, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with a floor-mounted shifter. This setup delivers an authentic vintage driving experience, allowing drivers to fully appreciate the mechanical feel and simplicity of pre-war automobiles. The car is reported to run and drive, making it a usable classic rather than just a display piece. The vehicle comes with a clean title and is described as having no significant damage or major issues, which is a strong advantage for buyers seeking a straightforward purchase. Its largely stock configuration makes it ideal for those who appreciate originality, while also providing a solid platform for light restoration or customization if desired. This 1937 Ford sedan is a great entry point into classic car ownership with timeless style and character. 7. 1932 Ford 3-window coupe hot rod. Price, $43,000. Located Middlebury, Indiana. This 1932 Ford 3-window coupe hot rod is a powerful and aggressive custom build that blends iconic early hot rod styling with extreme performance capabilities. Featuring a lightweight fiberglass body, This coupe maintains the unmistakable silhouette of the legendary 1932 Ford, while benefiting from modern engineering and high horsepower output. It presents as a driver-quality vehicle that delivers both visual appeal and serious performance on demand. Under the hood, this coupe is equipped with a massive 540 cubic inch big block V8 engine that was rebuilt approximately 2 years ago. Producing an estimated 700 horsepower, this engine offers incredible acceleration and raw power, making it a true street and strip performer. The drivetrain is built to handle the output, ensuring durability and consistent performance during spirited driving. The car includes 2 sets of rear tires, allowing flexibility between regular street use and drag-style performance with slicks. A metal hood is included with the vehicle, although it is currently removed to showcase the impressive engine. While not a perfect show car, it presents well and can be detailed to an even higher level. With strong performance, classic styling, and serious horsepower, this 1932 Ford Coupe is an exciting opportunity for any hot rod enthusiast. 8. 1930 Ford Sedan Hot Rod. Price, $35,000. Located Schererville, Indiana. This 1930 Ford Sedan Hot Rod is a bold and powerful custom build that combines classic styling with high-performance upgrades, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking both looks and capability. Finished in a vibrant red exterior with a brown interior, this sedan offers a striking appearance while maintaining the traditional charm of early Ford design. With 5,384 miles recorded, it reflects a relatively fresh build that has seen limited use. At the heart of this hot rod is a 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine, delivering substantial power and strong acceleration. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth operation and making the vehicle easier to drive in a variety of conditions. This combination ensures that the car not only looks impressive but also performs at a high level on the road. The vehicle is described as running great, though it may require some finishing touches to reach its full potential. Despite this, it remains a solid and functional build that can be enjoyed immediately. With its powerful drivetrain and classic styling, this 1930 Ford sedan offers a compelling mix of performance and vintage appeal, making it a standout option in the hot rod market. 9. 1936 Ford Standard Hot Rod. Price, $18,750. Located Janesville, Wisconsin. This 1936 Ford Standard Hot Rod is a unique piece of automotive history, combining classic design with performance components influenced by legendary names in hot rodding. Finished in a black exterior with a tan interior, this car maintains a timeless and understated appearance while offering upgraded mechanical performance. With approximately 2,000 miles recorded, it represents a well-maintained and lightly driven custom build. Under the hood, this Ford features a drivetrain influenced by notable figures such as Fred Offenhauser, Ed Iskenderian, Aaron Fenton, William Smith, and Alfred Stromberg, all of whom played significant roles in shaping performance engineering. The engine produces approximately 180 horsepower, offering a noticeable improvement over original specifications while maintaining reliability and drivability. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this vehicle provides smooth and comfortable operation, making it suitable for cruising and casual driving. The overall condition is described as very good, with a clean title and no significant issues reported. This hot rod offers a blend of historical significance and usable performance, making it an appealing choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. 10. 1934 Chevrolet Pro Street Hot Rod. Price, $40,000. Located Franklin, Wisconsin. This 1934 Chevrolet Pro Street Hot Rod is a professionally built custom machine that blends classic pre-war styling with aggressive street and strip performance. Built by Posey's Hot Rods, a respected name in the custom car world, this vehicle reflects quality craftsmanship and attention to detail throughout its construction. With its outlaw-style presence, this hot rod delivers both visual impact and strong mechanical performance, making it a standout in any collection or event. The build features a solid chassis and carefully engineered components designed to handle increased power and performance demands. While specific engine details are not listed, Vehicles of this caliber typically include upgraded drivetrains, suspension systems, and braking components to support their Pro Street configuration. The overall setup suggests a car that is both capable on the street and ready for more aggressive driving when desired. The exterior design maintains the iconic 1934 Chevrolet look, enhanced with custom touches that give it a more aggressive stance. Inside, the vehicle is expected to feature a purpose-built interior aligned with its performance-oriented nature. Described as being in good condition, this hot rod represents a well-built and functional custom vehicle. This 1934 Chevrolet Pro Street offers a unique opportunity to own a professionally crafted hot rod with strong presence, making it ideal for enthusiasts seeking both style and performance. 11. 1948 Ford Super Deluxe Coupe. Price: $28,000. Located Mishawaka, Indiana. This 1948 Ford Super Deluxe Coupe is a well-sorted street rod that combines classic post-war styling with modern upgrades for improved comfort and drivability. Finished in a refined gray exterior paired with a red interior, this coupe offers a striking yet elegant appearance that reflects its carefully maintained condition. With approximately 80,000 miles recorded, it remains a reliable and enjoyable classic for regular driving. Under the hood, the vehicle is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with a 4-barrel Edelbrock carburetor, delivering smooth and dependable performance. The engine is paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, providing easy and comfortable driving. Additional features such as power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning enhance the overall driving experience, making it suitable for longer trips and everyday use. The car has benefited from several recent updates, including a newer red interior, tires, and radiator, all installed within the last 4 years. It is described as rust-free, with all gauges functioning properly, and includes modern conveniences such as an AM/FM radio and CD player. With front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, it offers improved stopping power while maintaining its classic character. This 1948 Ford is a clean and reliable street rod ready to be enjoyed.